Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll, and we're going to zoom in on this little gapper right here. Let's center her. Okay, I don't want to go down that close on her there. There we go. Well, we want to clean her up. So let's get our goop out. Where did I put my goopity boop boop? Oh, it's right here beside me. Here we go. All right. Oh, am I getting weak or what? There we go. All right. So this little guy, this little gapper has button eyes. So we want to go in, just lift those out. See, they just lift right out. Oh, I can't lose them. Now we can just put that one up there. We cannot lose them. See, this is all rubber in there too. See if we can get this one out. Now we can clean. I'll put my finger over so if it does want to go flying again, I'm right here to catch it. These are almost like teddy bear eyes in a sense. There we go. I just don't want to lose them. They're so little. All right, so we got his eyes out. They don't look the greatest, but hey, we're going to be putting those back in. But right now what we want to do is just, get going on him. What I'm thinking of doing is making my own little outfit for him. Since I don't have one, and I've been blessed with a lot of material, gifted a lot of material, why not? And material that I have bought too. Why not just make him an outfit? I did a big sweep inside my shop here because all the leaves are coming. The lady next door, her tree just now has turned golden. And I mean, we've had some already, but hers was a little on the latter side. And it just turned now. I just looked up and I went, oh my goodness. And now all down the street they're turning, like they've been like that for a little while now. But hers just finally made the turn. And I was wondering, like, it was green, 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 green. Now it's orangey red. And I'm like, wow, it's there. Finally, Then we know what's coming next because all those leaves are going to fall. And guess where they come into? My carport. It's the suck zone, I call it, for all this type of stuff. Yeah. So there we go. Get right in between all those little toes. Ah, there we go. You see the dirt in there. Look at the dirt just coming, like the stuff goes on and it's just turning, the white is turning gray. All right. Oh, wow. Look how nice that's turning out. Oh, wow. His leg is just turning out so nice. Now, as much as I don't like using those Mr. Clean on them, they do come in handy for some things. And don't, you know, within reason, you know, use them. But remember, they're almost like a little bit of a sandpaper. So you got to be careful on vinyl because it can scratch vinyl and take off some very precious accents on your doll. It looks like he's got a little bit of green on his belly, but nothing hard, like too much, you know, so. Oh, he looks great. Oh, we're getting my living room ready for Christmas, so I had to move buggies around, and because I have buggies in my living room, and I have my little ones were in there, my little buggies, because the cat likes to sleep in the big ones, and I don't like him sleeping because he knocks the dolls all around and makes himself a bed in there. So I took those out and put them in my computer room, but they need to come out right now for Christmas so I can make room. I can only put 2 big ones, so I layered them with dolls. And there's all kinds of dolls layered with big blankets over them, so he can't get in. It's impossible for him now to get in there. And I'm going to put red and green Christmas blankets over them before we put the tree up. But I have to think about it now, because if I don't, it's going to, right after Halloween, it's going to climb all over me. And we got company coming in November, so staying for about a few days. So I have to get some things done. And I have to, just for, I think in the middle of November. So we have company coming, so I have to get some things done. And we want to get the tree up after November 11th. I don't like putting up any Christmas thing until November 11th. Remembrance Day. So we've been always a stickler on that Christmas cannot start until at least November 11th passes by. And then we wait for our American friends, because they have their, well, we still put our tree up, but what I'm saying is like Christmas doesn't really start for us until our American friends have their Thanksgiving, and now we're all into Christmas, because we're pretty much, you know, very close to each other here. So I shouldn't be using this because I used it on paint, but it's dry. But too lazy to go behind me and get one. It's working. There we go. Oh, that cleaned his ears up really nice. Wow. I should get a small one. Okay, can't be lazy anymore. Got to get them. Where are my small? What did I do with them? Oh, they're over here. Okay. I hope you're enjoying this, though. I don't know how everybody else does it, but that's how we do it here, like in my household. I'm not saying that's across the board in my neighborhood or anything of that sort, but let's see if we can get into these eyes. There we go. All right, there we go there. Oh, I lost a little cotton thing that was on the end of this, but that's okay. Sometimes I like when it does come up so I can get into these little areas in here just to kind of pull out any dirt. I don't know what happened to that cotton thing, but it came off the end of it. Oh well. I hope you're seeing all this. Okay, we'll put its little button eyes back in again. Let's get them clean though. Oh, that looks a lot cleaner than what they did. Oh my, yeah. What a difference. A lot shinier and... Oh yeah, he looks a lot... Doesn't she look a lot cuter? Like, oh my goodness, yeah. She needs her lips painted. Oh. Let's see if we can get some... we'll get that some dirt out of there. There we go. Looks like she just had like a light pink. I think I'll make a light pink paint up. What is going on in here? Okay, I guess that's as good as it's gonna get. I'll paint up those lips of hers. Okay. Oh, that looks, she just looks so much cleaner. Oh wow, what a difference. Okay, that part's done. We cleaned you up now. Alright, so where's my plate? And I'm using acrylic paint, so I'm going to need some white, unless I've got pink here. Let's see what I got in my acrylic. If not, I'm going to have to... There's my titanium white. No, I don't have pink in here. Which I might just buy now that I'm doing a little bit more of these... where are we at for time here? Okay, I'm going to stop this, and then I'm going to come back right after this, and we're going to do the painting of this doll. Thanks again for joining me. Give me a thumbs up, and a comment would be nice. Thank you. Bye-bye.